Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can fix.
Valorant stuck on loading screen.
So on to the first method, you are going to go to your default browser, then you are going to hit search bar and hit driver easy. Then click on this first link here and it should bring you something like this. Then you're going to download it. And for the next step, after you download it, it's going to bring you something like this. Then you are going to hit update all, and that is the first method that you can use. On to the second method, you are going to press Windows R and type in ncpa.cpl. You're going to hit OK. Then you're going here onto your internet service provider. Right click and press on properties. Then you're going to go here. Then you're going to go to properties. Then you're going to go here, which is update DNS server automatically. Then you're going to press here and type in 8888. Then type in 8844. And then you're going to simply press OK. And if you found this useful, consider commenting on whether this method has worked, and I'll try to solve your problem as soon as possible if it has not worked. Consider subscribing.